All right, y'all, so finally we were able to find the Happy Dad grape flavor, and y'all know what I gotta do. I gotta shotgun this shit. So let's try this shit out. Let's open this shit up. Little Happy Dad Death Row Records. Let's try this shit out. I'm excited to try these. I have high hopes on them. Damn, you can just smell the grape out of it. Let's give it a little taste test. This is probably my new favorite flavor, but come on with it, baby. Cheers. Honestly, I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10.